This week in reading, we're going to be practicing our note-taking skills again. For this task, you'll need to download the Scottish Landmarks fact file or get the video loaded up. You'll need 3 sheets of paper, a pencil and a rubber. Like last week, we're practicing taking notes so that we can get used to recording information in a way that's useful for us. We're taking notes with the purpose of creating Scottish Landmarks Top Trumps cards this week, as this is this week's writing task. So we will need to use specific headings for our note-taking to make sure that we get the right information for our Top Trumps cards. Remember, Top Trumps cards all have the same types of information on each card, so that you can compare the numbers to play the game. So we will need to make sure that we record the same information about each of our Scottish landmarks. Once you've gathered everything you need to start the task, it's time to get started. We're going to start by writing the headings on your page like we did last time. There are 6 different landmarks to take notes about, so you'll need to have 6 sections on your paper. I recommend using 3 sheets of paper and using both sides of the paper. Now you're going to need to write your headings. Remember to leave space between each one so that you can take down your notes in the spaces. The headings are on the next slide. Here are the headings we're going to use this week. Height, building material, year it was built, distance from Hawick, usefulness, popularity, and cool history rating. You'll need to write these out for each of the 6 landmarks, so take your time and do that just now. You can pause the video and restart it when you're ready to read the text and take your notes. Now it's time to get reading. Read through the fact file or watch the presentation with the audio and take notes under your headings. You should be able to get all of the information you need about each landmark, so read or listen very carefully. If you miss anything the first time round, you can always go back and check again. Finally, you're going to read through your notes and check that you've got all the information that you need. Think about what you've learned. Was there anything cool or interesting in what you've just read? Maybe you could share any interesting facts with somebody else at home later on. Keep your notes somewhere safe until it's time for you to use them to complete this week's writing task.